Alright, video check everybody. Azrael here. We're here sa Festival Mall in Alabang. Dito tayo ngayon sa bagong bukas na Altitude Store here sa upper ground floor ng East Wing of Festival Mall. So kaka-open lang nitong July. Let's check it out, yo. Pasok tayo. Let's have a tour inside and let's check it out, yo. Kasi may mga bago silang gadgets. For example, the Insta360 Luna Ultra available dito. Let's pasok tayo. Let's do this. Pero syempre, one of the pineflex ni Altitude Store dito is the anti-gravity 360 drone, 360 camera drone. So meron silang demo unit dito. You can do a hands-on test and also fitting ng kanilang goggles. Kaso nga lang, di pwede ka magpalipad dito kasi sa indoor tayo. But you can get a close-up look of this amazing drone na meron 360 camera. Anti-gravity. So meron sila dito ang tawag na EBO. It's a robot companion for your home. Available din siya dito sa Altitude Store in Festival Mall. So, meron silang features like pwede siya maging protector, playmate, or companion. Pero parang siya maging protector, no? Siguro para siyang parang baby monitor, no? Pero siya naggagala, can alert the parents kung ano mga nangyayari doon sa nakikita ng robot na ito, and also as your companion at home. Kung uso yung Star Wars at R2-D2, parang ito na yung R2-D2 natin na robot. The EBO, Family Companion Robot. And they have here a new smartwatch called Coros brand. This is Coros Space 4. And one of the best feature nito is siyang 41 hours running time na GPS, 19 days daily use. So, malaki yung kanyang battery specs na ito. At feeling ko it's kumbaga energy saver siya, no? Kasi biruin mo 41 hours saka GPS ka in 19 days kayang-kaya niya, no? So yan, this is the Coros Space 4 available here sa Altitude Festival Mall. Dito sa left ko, this is the drones and camera section. So available dito yung Insta360 Luna Ultra. It's a dual lens 8K gimbal camera. Ito yung bagong Insta360 na camera nila na meron siyang zoom lens and also naalis pa yung cover niya para pwede siyang gawing remote control or your remote monitor if you're shooting some video for travel, for unboxing, for vlogging. So creator bundles around 60,000 plus and the solo bundle is around 42,000 plus. So ayun, bili na kayo dito sa Altitude Store in Festival Mall, Alabang. Also available din dito yung kanilang bagong drone sa DJI drone. Yung Lito X1, meron sila. They have the DJI Avatar 360 and also DJI Mini 5 Pro. Marami pa silang drones sa DJI. No? You can order here and also pwede kayo i-pick up yung order ninyo if ever you're looking for a drone. Maraming store dito, no? Pero if you're wanna get a chance of get some freebies, no? Pumunta na lang kayo sa Altitude kasi bago silang bukas, may mga freebies na kasama if you purchase anything here sa Altitude Store. Another smartwatch na available here sa Altitude Store, Festival Mall. This is the Polar Street X featuring a up to 43 hours of battery running time. 10 days siya. At meron siyang Precision Prime optical heart rate monitor. At malaki yung kanyang screen. Meron siyang Training Load Pro. It's a military grade durability. So talagang pang malakasan tong Polar Street X smartwatch. Check it out, yo. This one is Rincon Gen 2 Air. It's a wearable na you can wear it as a normal ring and it can monitor your health and also monitor everything that you do. Lalo na yung pag-sleep ninyo, pagtulog, and also sabi dito is AI powered na for the health insights. So ito yung bago nila ngayon. Instead ng mga smartwatch, no? Kung ayaw mag-smartwatch, try Rincon Gen 2 Air. Oops. Also available are some accessories for your Insta360s. Ayan, available din siya dito. And also other Insta360 cameras are also available. And also mga DJI pocket camera, ayan, Osmo, Action, and Nano. Well, coming soon siguro, DJI Pocket 4P habang ngayon nga dito sa altitude. Ito yung mga pinakagusto ko sa EcoFlow power station. It's a portable power station. Ito yung trail series nila. Very handy. Merong hawakan. I can bring it anywhere if doing events. Also, travel, camping, for example, outdoor. Or, alam ko na kailangan nyo lang extra battery pag nasa bahay kayo. Pwede rin yan. That's the EcoFlow trail series nila. Very compact, very easy to bring. Ito sa mga inabangan ko na magkaroon ako. And they also have solar panels. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano specs nito. Good for charging your EcoFlow devices, no? Yung mga malalaki, yung mga maliliit. I think it's a parang built-in inverter na rin din. Directly dun sa power station yun. Pero if you're looking for the bigger power station, no, eto lang kunin nyo. Yung mga ganito kalalaking EcoFlow. Ayan. I think this is the River yata, no? Tama ba? Limutan ko na yung mga model na to. But I think it's the EcoFlow River ba to, sir? EcoFlow River?
EcoFlow Delta 3.
Delta 3 pala. EcoFlow Delta 3. Ayan. Di ako nag-homework ngayon. So, if you're looking for a power station, pang malakasan, eto na. River pala yung square na ganun eh, no? Oo, tama. And also, you can chill out here, bring your friends. May table silang malaki dito to inspect sa mga gadgets na gusto nyo bilhin or gusto nyo i-inquire. Very helpful naman yung mga staff nila dito, no? Like for example, si Aaron is testing the Insta360 Luna Ultra, which we were going to test it in a bit, no? After niya mag-review. So, pasok pa tayo. Let's check it out. What's more inside the Altitude Store in Festival Mall in Alabang. Alright, let's do this. So, this is Shocks, a wearable for audio and music, no? At ang maganda rito is it's very parang siya, no? Sweat-proof siya. Clip-on open ear, true wireless earbuds. Available yan din dito. And they have two versions. No? They have two versions. This one is naka-clip. Ito naman saka open ear naman siya. So, ayan, check it out, yung Shocks. Dolby Audio na rin yung kanyang feature. And this one is Aura Ring. Parang sa mga high-end to na wala silang demo dito na makukuha natin, no? Parang one of the good brands na rin din to monitor your health tsaka biometrics mo, no? Using mga smart ring na ito like the Aura Ring. Aura Ring 5 na pala siya. 40% smaller, more powerful than ever. Wow. And here's a close-up look. Ganda, may gold, Ang ganda. Ganda. Siya silver color. You have the cam snaps. This is the old model na cam snaps. And Instax Mini Evo. Ayan. Nagulat ako, meron na silang Bose dito. Ayan, Bose speakers. And also the parang viral, trending na Kodak Charmera. Ayan. Ganda. Here, the parang nagte-take note para sa inyo. This is the Plod brand. They have this is an AI note taker, sabi dito. No? So, habang may-meeting kayo, you can use this to transcribe everything. Nakikinig lang naman din siya. So, okay ito for mga conference meetings. Also, Plod Note, ayan. Lahat yan ng inyong pag-uusap ay matatranscribe. And they have a books. Ito yung kanilang e-book na na reader. Ayan. They have two versions. They have also the EcoFlow backpack. Gulat ako, meron silang backpack. Nice. Also, they have the Loop earplugs. May ganito ako, ginagamit ko na siya. It's very effective. Hindi siya pang listening sa music, no. It's pang block ng sound. I got the extreme version, which is pang concert siya, pang loud music. So, I'm wearing this pag nasa events ako para pag suot ko siya, hindi masakit sa ulo yung music sa ulo ko. So, it's very effective itong Loop earplugs. Lagi kong dala yan. And then, they have the Jaeger projectors. That's one of the best product na rin din, no, for projectors. Lalo na to. Ayan, Jaeger projector na to. T2 Plus. Ganda. And sa baba, another companion robot. Evo Max and the Evo SE. Hindi ko pa nakita kung nag-perform to, no? Pero more on ganito ko pa lang siya nakikita. Let's check tayo sa internet na lang kung paano siya makita, kung paano siya nag-perform. And Cito City Code, testing the Insta360 Luna Ultra.
Hindi ko siya mapagal.
Ito galawin mo. Yan. For the
Try na.
double tap mo.
Double.
Tatlo. Para humarap. And that's it guys for our video for today featuring the new store of Altitude Store here sa Festival Mall Alabang. Punta lang kayo dito sa upper ground floor sa East Wing ng Festival Mall. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys on the next video vlog adventure. Check mo yung ating mga updates sa Facebook, Instagram, at TikTok for more content like this, mga tech, lifestyle, travel, and food. Alright, kita-kits sa next video.